When we land back in the editor, you can see that at the top of the screen, there are 3 icons, one for desktop, one for tablets, and one for mobile. If we click the mobile icon, you'll see the viewport for the site shrink down to a typical mobile size. And immediately we see some problems. The header line wrapping here looks a bit clunky, and the bottom of our hero section here doesn't have enough space at the bottom of the button. Let's fix this. First, let's click on the header font, and then click into the Style tab. Here at the top, you can see there's a phone icon next to alignment. I don't think it makes too much sense to have our header text left aligned when everything else in this hero section is center aligned, so let's go ahead and center align this header. That's looking a little better, but the line wrapping's still strange. So let's click the pencil icon next to typography. And then next to the size setting, you can also see here that there is a mobile icon. Anytime you see these settings with the mobile icon, this means that you're making changes just for the mobile view and not for the other views. So let's shrink this header text down until the line wraps nicely, right about there. And if we toggle back to the desktop view, you can see that our previous design has not been impacted in any way. It looks good on desktop and it looks good on mobile. I encourage you to do this for tablet views too. Now let's fix the spacing issue at the bottom of our hero section. To do this, we want to update the padding of our container here. I'd like to make it so that this hero image fills the whole screen when somebody lands on this page and that we don't have any of this white about section here, and there's plenty of space at the bottom of this button. To do this, we'll click this container, switch to the Advanced tab, and then for padding, let's unlink the values. Then we'll add a bit of space to the bottom padding. Let's start by adding 100 pixels, and you can see that our hero section has been expanded at the bottom internally outwards. There's not quite enough space to hit the bottom of the screen, so let's go to 125. Still not quite enough. And 150, oh, almost there, to 160. There we go. Now our hero section fills the full frame on mobile. This is looking much better. And again, if you toggle back to desktop, you can see that our original design still has not been impacted. The tablet view looks great too. When you're done making changes and you want to make this live, click Publish in the top right so your website visitors can view the page.